Welcome dear student. In a pharmaceutics first practical session, myself Mrs. Darshana Sandeep Shinde. Let's start our practical session. Today we deal with the experiment number 32. Title of our experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 2 lipsticks. Here we prepare only the 2 lipsticks. Learning outcomes of our today's session. After watching this video, students are able to develop the intellectual skills such as to understand evaluation parameter of the lipsticks, to develop the motor skill like the formation of molding and flaming. Here are some new concepts regarding the lipsticks. We see the evaluation of the lipstick. First evaluation test is the pinholes. Ideal lipsticks are devoid of the pinholes on the exposure surface. Presence of pinholes decrease the elegance of the lipsticks extremely. Then color uniformity. Our lipstick preparation have uniformly have the one uniform color. They do not have the patches on it. Otherwise its appearance is decreased. Then softening temperature. It is a temperature at which the lipstick starts melting or becoming the softer one. That's why we evaluate our lipstick into the softening temperature on evaluating temperature parameter. Then for the softening temperature parameter evaluation, the procedure is the place 2 cm long piece of the lipstick in a test tube, stand a thermometer above the surface of the liquid lipstick or our lipstick, heat the test tube in a water bath and record the temperature at which the thermometer piece into the pieces of the lipstick. That means at what temperature liquid start to the melt. Then introduction to the cosmetic. Though the lipstick is the one of the important part of our human or impression or getting the better personality, lipstick plays an important role in both in presence in concern with the ladies and gents also. Cosmetics means any article intended to be rub, pour, sprinkle or spray on or introduced into or otherwise applied into the human body. These are used for the cleaning, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, altering or the appearance, and include any article intended for use component of the cosmetics. Cosmetics include shampoos, nail polish, toothpaste, hair powders, sprays, lipsticks, then foundation creams, etc. Then we see the classification on the basis of the part of the organ or part of the body on which they are applied. First of all, on the skin, creams, deodorant, lotion, powders. On the hairs, bread softeners, shampoos, shaving preparations, hair colors and conditioners. For the nails, manicure preparations like the nail polish removers. For the teeth and the mouth, tooth powder and toothpaste. And in miscellaneous category, eye preparation, insect repellent, etc. On the skin, there is lipsticks are also applied on the lips to get improve the impression or give the proper personality to person. Then we see the lipsticks. Lipsticks are dispersion of a coloring matter in a base consisting of a suitable blend of oils, fats, waxes suitably, perfume and flavored one, molded in the form of a stick and enclosed in a case. Good lipsticks consist of it cover the lips adequately with the some gloss. It lasts for the long time, make the lips soft. It should be free from the grittiness. It should be non-drying. It should be non-irritant one to the lips. Then high retention of color intensity. Then desirable degree of the plasticity it should maintain. Then we see the labeling. Its label should contain for external use only and not for ingestion. Then therapeutic use, if it any storage condition it should be applicable, or its application should. Then storage, its storage should contain keep away from the heat and the flame, store in a cool place. Then we move toward the apparatus required for our today's preparation. These are the beakers. We require 2 beakers, measuring cylinder, then thermometer, pipette, water bath, and thermometer, test tube, and which are required for the evaluation test. Then we move toward the formulation table. Formulation table consists of the ingredient for given quantity and required quantity also. Our ingredients are carnauba wax 10 gram for 4 lipstick. Formulation table, in this formulation table, formula given for the 4 lipstick, but today we perform only the, or prepare only the 2 lipsticks. White beeswax 10 gram, cocoa butter 10 gram, lanolin 5 gram, castor oil 50 gram, isopropyl myristate 5 gram, cetyl alcohol 5 gram, liquid paraffin 2 gram, titanium dioxide 3 gram, color perfume quantity sufficient, and butyl hydroxytoluene 0.05 gram, which is act as an antioxidant. Then cetyl alcohol emollient, liquid paraffin as a lubricant, titanium dioxide as a pigment, colors as a coloring agent, perfume as a perfuming agent, isopropyl myristate as a wetting agent, castor oil as a plasticizers, lanolin as a emulsifying base, carnauba wax, white beeswax, and cocoa butter as a base. Though this formula is given for the 4 lipstick, we have to prepare only 2, so our factor will be the 0.5. By this we calculate the quantity required for the 2 lipsticks. Then we go through the stepwise procedure. Gloss and hardness of the lipsticks are largely depend on the characteristics and quantity of the waxes used. Mixture of waxes are incorporated to prepare the lipsticks of optimum softening temperature. To get the optimum softening temperature, we use the blend of the waxes. Castor oil is used as a plasticizer. Castor oil is preferred over the other vegetable oil because of its good quality. A refined grade of castor oil is odorless, tasteless, and less prone to the oxidation. Isopropyl myristate is used as a wetting agent to facilitate the smooth application of the lipstick. Cetyl alcohol is used as an emollient. Then liquid paraffin is used as a lubricant to facilitate the removal of the lipstick from the molds after the pouring. Then titanium dioxide is used as a pigment to intensify the color. Then we see the procedure. Weight the required quantity of all ingredient except color and mix in a geometric proportion in a porcelain dish or in a beaker. Then place this porcelain dish or beaker in a water bath till all ingredients are melt. Then disperse the color homogeneously into the melted mass. Then lubricate the mold with the paraffin oil. Then pour the molten mass into the individual mold. Fill it up to the top and allow some mixture to overflow. It prevents the formation of pinhole during the freezing. Then place this mold into the ice bath or the freezer. Then scrape up top layer with the help of the sharp knife to remove the lipstick from the mold. Then pass the lipstick through the flame in a quick fusion. It gives a gloss to the surface layer of the lipstick. Then perform the softening temperature test. Take a test tube, in that add the lipsticks and heat it, and maintain the or noted down the temperature at which our lipstick start to melt. Then place the lipsticks in a lipstick container. Its category is skin colorant, and storage is keep away from the heat and the flame. Then we move toward the laboratory session for the how to make the lipstick. Welcome dear students in a Pharmaceutical First Laboratory. Today we prepare here lipsticks. For the preparation of the lipsticks we require a number of chemicals. Let's see the apparatus and chemicals required for the preparation of the lipstick. First one we require carnauba wax, then white beeswax, cocoa butter, lanolin, castor oil, isopropyl mesylate, titanium dioxide. Then we have to require cetyl alcohol, then liquid paraffin, then this butyl hydroxytoluene, and perfume and colorant, and this is our container to fill our lipsticks. Welcome dear students in pharmaceutical first laboratory. Here we today prepare the lipsticks. We have to prepare here the formula in the manual is given for the 4 lipsticks, but today we have to prepare only 2 lipsticks. For that purpose we have to require carnauba wax, white beeswax, then cocoa butter, then lanolin, then we have to require castor oil, then isopropyl mesylate, cetyl alcohol, titanium dioxide, then butyl hydroxytoluene. This is the perfume and colors, and this is our container that we required. We already measured all the quantity of required apparatus. For this, let's start our procedure. In the procedure, we weight all the quantity of our chemicals as per our final content. Today we prepare only the 2 lipsticks. For that purpose we take all the quantities, then we add these quantities in a geometric proportion in a porcelain dish or a beaker. For that purpose we have to take a beaker. In that beaker, first of all we add this carnauba wax, then this beeswax, then cocoa butter, then this lanolin into it, this lanolin, and then after that weighted amount of castor oil quantity, then this isopropyl mesylate, then titanium dioxide, then this is cetyl alcohol, then required amount of liquid paraffin, then we have to add the butylated hydroxytoluene. All the ingredients we add and we kept it on a water bath, and after that we add the color and the perfume. Let's say all the contents are melted one and they form a homogeneous liquid in that. All the waxes are totally melted and they are in a liquefied form. Then we add color and perfume to our preparation. We add color into it, and now we add the perfume into our lipstick. Mix it. Here we use this type of mold for the preparation of the lipstick. We can use the molds just like a substrate molds or lipstick molds, but in some cases where these molds are not available, at that cases we also use this type of empty containers of the lipstick. We already lubricate it with the oil, and then we add this our liquid lipstick solution. Though to avoid the pinholes, we have to add this liquid solution or this liquefied lipstick solution again into our mold to slightly overflow on it. and after that we have to refrigerate this mold for the proper cooling. We place this lipstick mold container, which will fill the lipstick into the directly container, and keep it into the refrigerator for setting down. After setting, we will see the lipstick. After half an hour, our lipstick gets set and we remove from the refrigerator. Let's see. Our lipstick is ready one. Even color, no pinholes are there. Then we may make a flaming. What is flaming? Flaming is this is the burner. For a second fraction of second, we will transfer this lipstick into this one. It will produce a glaze to our lipstick. See, it will produce a glaze to our lipstick. This is our lipstick ready. Then we perform a evaluation test, that is the softening temperature. For that we have to require our lipstick and test tube. Let me perform the temperature softening evaluation test for lipstick. For that we take a piece of a lipstick, pour it into the test tube, and pour it on the burner, and here we measure the temperature. We measure the temperature. It will be it will be almost temperature softening. It will be almost 55. It should not be more than the 55. Our temperature is almost 55 here. That means evaluation test for lipstick will pass it. Then we move toward the observation and evaluation table. After go through the stepwise procedure into the laboratory, we move toward the evaluation table. Our evaluation table should consist of a name of preparation, test, specification and observation. Name of preparation is lipstick. Its appearance is free from pinholes. It's confirmed. Fragrance, it is perfume, though we add in the perfume. It's confirmed. Softening temperature, we already measure. It is not less than 55 degrees Celsius. We also confirm that test. Then color uniformity, its color is uniform, and we confirm that test. After that means we evaluate all the tests. Then we move toward the labeling formulation. Our lipstick's labeling formulation or label just like that. It should contain the name of our preparation at the top of the sides and its quantity. Then we should also mention the quantity or net content. Label should contain the ingredients. Here we mention all the ingredients. Then category, its category is a skin colorant. Storage, it should be keep away from the heat and the flame. And then the manufacturing details like the licensing number, batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date, etc. and maximum retail price. And at the bottom we should mention the name and address of the manufacturer. Label should be just like that. Then we move towards here we also mention some figures, or we make our label attractive one by adding some images or diagram also. Then we move towards the result. Result should be right like that. Here we prepare the 2 lipsticks. So 2 number of the lipsticks submitted keep away from the heat and the flame container with the neat label. Then we move toward the question answer session. First question is write the evaluation test for the lipstick. That evaluation tests for lipsticks are the pinhole test, color uniformity test and softening temperature test. Then write the reason for slighting overflow of the mixture during the filling of the filling into the mold. that are the slightly overflow of the mixture during the filling. It prevents the formation of the pinholes during the freezing. Then the next question is the define flaming and why it is performed. Flaming means passing the lipstick through the flame in a quick fashion. It gives gloss to the surface layer of the lipstick. For giving the proper glaze, we perform the flaming. The next question is write the precaution needed to be taken while performing the experiment. These precautions are: mix the ingredients in a geometric proportion in a porcelain dish or beaker. Then pour the molten mass into the mold, fill up it to the top and allow some texture to overflow. That's why we avoid pinhole formation during the freezing. Then perform flame test and then finally perform the evaluation test also. This precaution must be taken, and lubricate our molds to the oil or the liquid paraffin oil to avoid the sticking. Then the next question is write the role of the liquid paraffin. Liquid paraffin is used as a lubricant to facilitate the removal of the stick from the molds after the pouring. Then the next question is write the mixture of the waxes used in the formulation of the lipsticks. These waxes are the gloss and the hardness of the lipsticks are largely depend on the characteristics and quantity of the waxes used. That's why we use the mixture of the waxes. Mixture of the waxes are incorporated to prepare the lipsticks of optimum softening temperature. If we use a single wax, we do not get the optimum softening temperature. By using the blend of the mixtures, we get the proper softening temperature. That's why use the mixture of the waxes. Thank you very much for attending this practical session.